Hi all. So today we are going to discuss ChatGPT Operator. It's just launched by OpenAI and it is going to blow your mind. So what is ChatGPT Operator? It's basically an AI agent launched by OpenAI and it resides in your browser. So you just type operator.chatgpt.com. It'll open up and then you can ask it to do any task. So it'll take control over your browser, do whatever you want it to do and show you the result. So it is already connected with certain apps. So for example, like Instacart or Thumbtack or a lot of those things. So you can select that app and ask it to do those tasks, or you can just ask it to complete a task. For example, book a tennis court near me, or any other item, and it'll do it for you. So it'll go to web, it'll search nearest tennis court, come up with options, select the best option, and tell you that yes, it is there. Now you have option to take control over the task. So in between, if you don't want it to say enter your credit card details or something, you can take control over the browser session, and then you can type anything, and that will be kind of your private session. ChatGPT operator will not know about it, and then you can again give it the control back to ChatGPT operator. Now, this is really cool, and it's kind of starting journey of OpenAI into AI agent, and I think this is gonna change how we operate. So it can do multiple tasks. So if you want, you can open multiple browsers and assign different tasks on each of the browser, and come back and see, okay, these tasks are done. So it is pretty much like a AI assistant you have, which is super smart and can do hundreds of things at a time. Have a look like how it works. So just go to operator.chatgpt.com, and currently this is available only for pro user, and pro user plan is almost $200 per month. So I think initially it will be useful for folks who have huge amount of tasks or who think they can get ROI out of it. But as it shows here, like you can just go ask like book a campsite for me. It will search for campsite options and provide you different things. So it's saying find a family friendly campsite in Joshua Tree for this weekend. It'll go. Hip Camp is one of the site where you can book the different camping location, and then it is going to ask you questions, dates and all, and it is going to book for you. You use it to like say Instacart. So you just select Instacart, tell it buy grocery from me. There's already a list uploaded in the demo with the items which you want to buy, and then it is gonna just like go ahead, tell you that okay, do you want to order? You're already If you're already logged into Instacart, it'll do that and it'll go ahead and order. So we are using some of the demo videos which are provided by OpenAI. Hope you got some idea. It is going to revolutionize the world. You can do social media marketing. You can run your business. You can test different apps and whatnot using these AI agent. You can go find life insurance. Say like find life insurance from coverclan.com, which is one of the site which will search with multiple insurance carrier in one go, and it'll get you that thing. So I hope you found this video valuable. It was a quick intro into ChatGPT operator. We will go into more depth with different ideas in future. So make sure you subscribe and like this video, and also leave a comment and let us know what you want us to cover next time. Thank you. Bye bye.